Yes, the announcement of King Vlogs. Nice. New house. New channel. New videos. What you're about to see is my sister. It's my sister. Step-sister. Making pizza. Some of the things she says are not necessary. This is Vanessa's guide to pizza.
Okay, so hello, welcome to Vanessa's Ratchet Pizzeria. And now we're gonna need a plate, this thing, cheese, jalapeno, cheese grater, obviously bacon, and this hot sauce that's inside of a Ratchet bottle. It needs to be inside of the Ratchet bottle.
Okay.
You need a long, pretty good knife, okay?
Yep.
The first step, you grab your jalapeno, and you cut it. It's gonna take a while, but it's okay. Just avoid the awkwardness by saying stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Stuff.
By literally saying stuff. Okay.
And now, you're gonna get your cheese. Make sure your cheese is ratchet. Look at that hair. Okay, now you bend it like so.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome when it goes on YouTube. Might take a while.
Oh my god, you're so ratchet. Just. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
And now you get your cheese and you grate it. And now you just talk about how great it is and how
You grade it on its math assignment.
you tell it how great it did. Oh, it's like so fabulous. It just looks great tonight. That they look beautiful. You grade their tests, their homework. You just tell them how great they are.
Okay.
No puns intended. Puns intended.
Yes,
And
indeed.
make sure that you get all of that great cheese. Great cheese. Amazingness. This is so great right now. Now you're gonna stop till you stop making great puns. Cause this is obviously so great. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. And now you get your cheese and you kiss it goodnight. Then you get your jalapenos and make sure you don't burn your eyeballs because that hurts.
Yep.
That hurts. This hurts. You pull it with your cheese.
Yep.
Then you clean up your area. Just scooch it to the side. No big deal. And now you get your bread. And now you watch it and think of bread puns. Why am I away, you may ask? Because I'm about to do something amazingly great. Still on the great puns.
Yes, still on the great puns. Okay.
It's too bad.
Pepperoni.
Nope. It's
Oh,
bacon.
I thought that was pepperoni. Nice. Nice.
taking some bacon.
Hey, what happened to the pepperoni? Still there?
Oh my god, I'm not good at the bacon. God, John.
I was
Look what
just-
you're making me do.
I was just wondering if I didn't tell you to give pepperoni.
Oh, great. Now I have to walk back. Get it? Great.
Yep.
Great.
Still on the great puns.
Yeah, probably he doesn't know how to edit, so I'm just gonna fast forward. That probably didn't work.
I think I know how to edit. No, actually no.
Okay.
It's pretty hard to jump cut. I don't think I've ever jump cut in my videos.
Boy!
On my second YouTube channel or my first one. Or my third one. Or my fourth one.
Well, if you have 4 YouTube channels, why don't you just freaking jump cut? Okay.
Okay, look.
You get 1 piece of bacon.
I only use 2 of the YouTube channels.
No, just make sure you get the good pieces of bacon.
Good piece.
That's a nice piece. Amazing. Bravo.
This has been going on for 4 minutes.
Nice. Now, with those 4 minutes, You talk to yourself and think, what have I done with my life?
I have no idea.
Now you just cut your bacon. It's amazing.
Seriously, I'm 9 years old. Okay, I haven't done much with my life.
Obviously.
I'm only
Am I right, ladies?
I don't know.
I'm raising my eyebrows now, but you can't tell.
Yeah.
Then you get your bacon. And you leave it there, because that's unsanitary if you put it with your other things. And then you wash your knife, because that's nasty. You're going to cut other things with it.
Bacon.
Now you get a nice view of that bacon. Hell yeah. Now you get your clean knife. Okay, no dirtiness. No, nothing of that. We keeping this clean. PG-13. Now you get your bread. Yeah. Oh, you're too ugly. Put your back. Oh, hey there. Oh, hey, Mark. No. Just making a pizza, you know.
Pizza.
You know, making it big, eating better than Domino's, you know.
Yep.
The usual. You get your hot sauce.
Okay. Hot sauce in a ranch bottle.
Yeah.
Very important.
You need to put it in a ranch bottle.
No.
No.
¿Por qué?
Nada en el talla.
¿Nadie fue o nadie iba a ir?
Ya no hay nadie.
¿Por qué? ¿Ya se fueron?
Sí. Make sure you get that deliciousness.
I know what I'm gonna call this video.
What?
Vanessa's Guide to Pizza.
No, Vanessa's Ratchet Guide to Pizza. Duh. Am I right, ladies?
Vanessa's Ratchet Guide to Pizza.
Then you get your cheese.
Okay.
Don't just ask how I got my fingers clean.
I think they can hear it.
And then you just, nice. And just deliciousness. Hell yeah. Yes. Yes! And then you get your jalapenos.
Okay, I think I know. Okay, I think I need to learn how to jump cut for this video.
Yes. Very much. I'll teach you.
Because I need to jump cut through the microwave process. Right?
Yes. I'm
So-
gonna show you how to jump cut.
Like show us how it looks.
Okay, girl. Oh, yes. You know how to make thumbnails,
Actually,
right?
no. Actually, I know how to jump cut. I just end the video and then I start a new one when it's done.
And deliciousness.
And then I connect the two videos.
And
Simple.
deliciousness. Now you got your pizza, you put it on that plate. Deliciousness. Now you got your bacon, and then you gently and delicately cook it. Jump cut.
Okay, now?
You get your bacon, you slap it. Yes. You're saying, though, this is really a slow process. It's gonna take forever. You are wrong, my good sir or ma'am. You got your bacon. You just put it there. Make sure it's a circle formation, and you'll know why.
I
later.
know that voice where it's like it sounds like
Ooh, girl. Oh yeah.
I know that voice.
Yes. Now you got this. It's called the bacon press, and who said it would take forever? Not me.
Disclaimer, don't actually do this. Don't actually follow the steps in this video.
Actually do.
No, we left out a couple steps.
No, we didn't.
Like you're supposed to you're supposed to butter the pan, right?
Yeah. We buttered the pan. He just missed it.
Yeah, and then the spray. What's the spray called?
It's a spray. It's a cooking spray, obviously. No one's gonna use an ant killer spray.
Yeah.
Like this. You hear that? That's bacon. Don't use cow meat or whatever, okay? Use bacon.
Or pepperoni.
Pepperoni is just as good.
Yeah. But yeah, you don't do this to pepperoni. You just put it in the microwave with
I mean,
everything
you
else.
could. No one's stopping you.
Yeah,
Okay,
but it might taste a little bad. That's it.
That's it for the step of bacon. But don't go anywhere yet. Because you place the bacon back straight. Okay, the bacon looks all good and stuff, right? Oh,
Okay,
frick.
is that the end?
Nope. Can I tell you what happens next? You leave your stuff, you grab your pizza, and you put the bacon on your pizza.
Yeah.
And then after you're done putting your bacon on your pizza, look at my face. Stop looking there. My face is up here. Look.
I'm
Right here.
looking at the pizza.
You don't do this. You don't eat it. It's still raw. Don't do it.
What are you guys doing?
Dance it.
We're making a
Now you-
video.
Now you got your pizza.
I thought you were supposed
Yeah,
to.
but that's the original one.
Now you just eat while you wait.
Yeah. Victory snack. And jump cut.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is there any advice on how long you should cook it for?
You should cook it till the cheese melts. That's how
Yeah,
long you should cook it.
until the cheese melts. Heard it here, folks. Until the cheese melts.
Until the cheese melts.
It doesn't take that long of time. It doesn't take that long time.
And if you're like really desperate and don't want to cut it, just eat it whole.
Yeah.
Um,
Like, if you don't have any friends, you can just eat it whole.
and just like,
If you don't have anyone to share with it.
yeah.
Or you're just a fatty and eating it in front of 5 people.
Deliciousness. I'm not sharing any with the person you're watching right now.
Yeah, mainly because I don't want it. Mmm.
That pizza was for me.
Yep.
Yeah, you can have a slice. JK, you can't because you're in the other side.
Yep.
But if you could,
If you could just reach for the screen, that'd be
Then-
awesome.
and like, if you take a slice of my pizza, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you. But if you're a vegan, this can go multiple ways. You could just do it with jalapenos and no cheese.
You can end the video now.
No, you can end the video now.
And that is Vanessa's Ratchet Guide to Pizza.
Exactly.